In this video, I will show you how to enable live streaming on YouTube. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is make sure you're logged into the account that you want to live stream on. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the create button up here. From the menu that comes up, come and click onto go live. What it's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and the first thing you're going to want to do is request access to streaming. As you can see, once requested, it can take up to 24 hours to get access to live streaming. So at this point, what you want to do is click the request button. Now if you haven't done so, then what you're going to want to do is first of all verify your phone number to get access to live streaming. So go ahead and click on to verify, and then what you can do is go ahead and enter your number into the box here. Once you've verified your number, come back here, click onto request, and then just wait for your request to be approved, and then you'll be able to come back here and start live streaming. So that is how to live stream on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.